What's going on, guys? So we got a nice little surprise in today. Jason got a phone call, what, Thursday or Friday or?
Well, I made the phone call.
Oh, okay.
I made the phone call because of an email I got stating this product was in stock in the US. And then 2 days later, I have it.
So what is that product?
So that product would be the SmartCap Adventure Series. Yes, it finally arrived. I ordered it at the beginning of February. So that's how many months.
So it took a little bit. Had to get paddled over with a boat across the old seas. Luckily, it didn't get lost.
Right, or I'm glad it didn't implode.
But so today is the day. You know, of course, we try to cram everything that we can all in one day. So that's just the way we do things. Because tomorrow we're going and we're having an epic beach day.
That's right.
But we're gonna get this thing assembled because if you don't know, the SmartCap comes completely disassembled. It's a module product that you can put it all together yourself, and that's the way it works. Yeah. Or you can pay somebody to have it all put together.
Right.
But then you're also waiting a little bit longer for them to put it together, and then them to put it on. You have to get it all scheduled in. So there are two options. You ordered from, where'd you order from?
I ordered from Mullins 4x4 in Ocala.
In Ocala?
Yep.
Nice. So, so that's what we're going to do today. So we're going to put a little time lapse on, show you how we get this thing all put together, and then if we come to any, I guess any stops or any hiccups, then we'll stop the camera from that and give you guys the heads up and go from there. But yeah, sit back and enjoy. This should be pretty cool because I'm eager to see both of them put together. I mean, I got to see from the last expo, I got to see a couple on some rigs, and I have to say, as far as the looks, I love them.
And that's the reason I went with it. Wasn't necessarily the looks, but off-roading. If we're off-roading and I smack it on a rock, tree, and I dent it, I can buy that panel and replace it.
That's really cool because, as you know, I run alley cab, and I mean, if I smack the door, I can replace the door, but if I smack anything else, that thing's completely welded together, and then I gotta buy another cap, and that's expensive.
Or a mallet.
Yeah,
this is a good mallet.
But guys, bear with us. We're gonna get started. So with a little camera magic, we got the SmartCap all assembled and put together. One pro tip, make sure you keep everything loose as you're putting everything together. It just makes the process so much easier. And then after you get it all together, that's when you want to tighten it all down. Just a little tip. All right, guys, so I got it all assembled. Everything's kind of just tightened a little bit, but now everything has to be torqued down. You said it was what,
It's 3.7 foot-pounds.
3.7 foot-pounds.
But I can, oh shit.
So
I can slightly tighten all these.
And you just tighten them all up. But let me give you an overview of what it looks like. Comes in pieces, assemble it up, torque it down, install it on the truck. Now with that, we have these here, which is the rubber. Came with these clamps here. But so far, everything went together pretty smooth. No hiccups, no issues, so definitely some quality stuff. I'm gonna keep rolling on it, get this thing on. Oh man, oh, them scratches.
Brand new.
So we're getting there. We got to install the new trail rail that Jay picked up also. And once we get that put in, get it all fastened down. We're getting there. Gonna be on before the beach day. Man, nice.
The things I'll do with 3.5 hours sleep.
Woo, all brand new. So, next step, getting these things on and go from there. So, keep with us, guys. This thing's gonna definitely look completely different after we put this SmartCap on. Alright guys, so after we get the trail rail all installed and buttoned down, it was time to lift this thing up. And I gotta say, it actually lifted pretty nice. There's only 3 of us. We had a little bit of maneuvering to do after we got it on to make sure everything kind of lined up and fit right. And then we got the alignment right and then started buttoning it down. But I gotta say, I'm really happy the way this thing turned out. So keep watching.
You need to push in on this rubber right there. Tim, I'm going to go in and lift just this corner. You push in on it, kind of like that.
Well, it looks like we got the just about centered up. Got a few more adjustments to do, and we're going to bolt this thing down. But looking killer. Looking killer. So it actually wasn't too bad to lift up and get in there with the 3 of us, so worked out really nice. This concludes the install of the SmartCap. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.